Bluetooth hands-free link lets drivers easily make and receive phone calls without taking their hands from the wheel or their eyes from the road. If your vehicle has the display audio touchscreen like this, here's how to make calls. After you've paired your phone, the phone book has been imported. The easiest way to make calls is to use the voice recognition feature. If the person you want to call is in your phone book, simply press the talk button on the steering wheel and say, "Call Joe Wilson." The system will call the number automatically. If you know the phone number you want to call, you can simply press the talk button and say, "Dial 555-234-5678." The system will again start dialing automatically. You can also make calls using the display audio touchscreen. From the home screen, touch the phone icon. If your call is for someone in your phone book, touch the contacts icon. You can sort the names in the phone book by first or last names. Just touch the Sort By icon in the upper right corner. When you find the name you want, just touch it and dialing will start automatically. If you know the number you want to call, touch the keypad icon from the phone screen. Use the keypad to dial the number and then touch Call for the system to start dialing. If you've added entries to your favorite contacts list, you can dial them using the driver information interface and steering wheel mounted controls. To add favorites, find the contact in the phone book and touch the star icon to the right. A confirmation will appear that the entry has been added to your favorite contacts. To call a favorite, press the pickup button on the steering wheel. Use the selector wheel to highlight favorite contacts and press in. Then scroll with the selector wheel to find your desired favorite and press in again. Dialing will begin automatically. When a call comes in on your paired phone, the incoming call screen will appear on the display audio. If the caller is in your phone book, you'll see the caller's name. To answer the call, you can touch the answer icon on the display audio or the pickup button on the steering wheel. And to decline the call, touch the ignore button on the touchscreen or press the hang up button on the steering wheel.